Sometimes all you need is meatballs with vegetables cooked in the oven, so let me show you how to make them. I'm starting with some ground beef, adding chopped fresh herbs and seasoning with salt, black pepper, paprika and oregano. Mix everything well and then shape them into small round meatballs. Next, I'm cutting potatoes, carrots, bell peppers and onions all into small cubes. This makes the dish so colorful and tasty. I start by frying the meatballs until golden from all sides just to get that crust. Then I remove them and I start frying vegetables. I'll fry the potatoes, take them out, then the carrots, and then finally the bell peppers, without the onions. By the way, tell me in the comments, do you prefer your meatballs fried or straight baked? Now I'm preparing the sauce. I'll take around 2 cups of water, add tomato paste, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, oregano and a pinch of salt. Mix it really well until smooth. I'm layering the fried vegetables on a baking tray, adding the meatballs on top. And then I'm adding some green peas and then pouring that flavorful tomato mixture over everything. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps me out. Now it goes into the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, just enough for everything to cook through and absorb all those amazing flavors. And here it is, golden, juicy and so comforting. I love how the veggies and meatballs blend together perfectly. Try this for your next family dinner and let me know how it turns out. Subscribe for more easy home-style recipes like this.